In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online order payment form in WordPress. Take credit cards and PayPal payments. We'll build a simple payment section right inside the WordPress site editor, so customers can place an order and pay with PayPal or a credit or debit card through PayPal's checkout. Let's get started. First, open the WordPress site editor for the page where you want the payment form to live. You'll see your page layout in the canvas. Click the highlighted area where you want to place your payment section. This selects the exact spot and keeps your design consistent with the rest of the page. Now, type directly into the highlighted field to add a clear heading and a short description. Something like "Order online," followed by a one-sentence summary of what the customer is purchasing, what it costs, and how payments are handled, helps reduce confusion and builds trust. Next, click the highlighted control to add a new block in that section, and then click the highlighted option to open the block inserter. In the inserter, choose PayPal Payment Buttons. This block is great for quick checkout experiences and typically supports PayPal, as well as card payments routed through PayPal, depending on your region and plan. With the buttons added, click the highlighted settings to begin customizing. First, select the button type that fits your use case, like a straightforward Buy Now checkout. Then, click the highlighted fields to set your item or service name and price. Be specific and use the currency your audience expects. Finally, click the highlighted styling controls to adjust the look and feel of the buttons so they match your brand. Keep contrast high and text readable for accessibility. If the section is part of a locked pattern, you may see an option to unlock it. Click Unlock. This simply allows you to fine-tune elements inside the pattern, like spacing, alignment, or text formatting, while keeping the rest of your layout intact. When everything looks good, click Save. Take a moment to scan your heading, description, item name, and price for typos or mismatched currencies. Accuracy here prevents checkout issues later. To make your changes public, click Launch. Your order payment section is now live on the page. A quick wrap-up tip. Keep your description concise, note any important terms like delivery timelines or refund policies right near the button, and preview the page on mobile to confirm the buttons are easy to tap.